Today we're going to be making some crispy carnitas, and you want to take some pork shoulder, dice it up, add some kosher salt, black pepper, some cumin, some oregano. We're then going to mix it all together until it's well combined, and you want to make sure that the pork is very nicely seasoned. To that we're going to add some fresh garlic, we're going to add some limes, and I'm also going to add some oranges. And speaking of oranges, I'm going to go ahead and add some of those orange slices. I'm going to add some oil because this pork is actually going to cook in its own fat, and the fat is going to render down to give us a shredded pork that's super tender and juicy. We're going to transfer that to a baking dish, add some more oil because again this does cook in its own fat. We're going to cook that at 325 degrees for 3.5 hours, and as you can see the pork is beautifully tender. We're going to shred it, add some more of those juices that are left over. We're going to broil it for about 5 minutes, and what you get is crispy carnitas. The full recipe is on my channel and website.